In today's video, going to teach you how to track, send, and receive emails with Monday.com, a convenient and efficient way to manage your communications using this powerful platform. Let's dive right in and make sure you're equipped to streamline your email management in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to make sure you're on the right page, so go ahead and navigate to Monday.com in your web browser. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Simply click on the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login page where you'll be prompted to access your account. You can make this process even more seamless by using your Google account. Just click on Google and select the account you wish to use, and you'll be logged in automatically. Now that you've successfully logged into Monday.com, it's time to head over to your contacts board. This is where the magic happens. Your contacts board is the dedicated space for managing all your email interactions. When you're on the board, you'll notice the list of your contacts along with their details. Scroll through until you find the specific contact you'd like to communicate with. Once you've located the contact, click on the email address displayed alongside their name. This action will open up a new email window, ready for you to compose your message. The email interface on Monday.com is user-friendly and intuitive. Begin by typing in the subject of your email. Keep it clear and concise, ideally summarizing the purpose of your message. After you've settled on a fitting subject, it's time to move on to the body of the email. Here, you can craft your message, ensuring it's precise and conveys the information or query you intend to share with your contact. Once your subject and message are in place and you've double-checked for any errors or updates, you're ready for the final step. Hit the send button and your email will be on its way. Monday.com will take care of delivering your message promptly, and you can even track it within your board to ensure it reaches your contact and monitor any responses. And there you have it. A straightforward process to track, send, and receive emails using Monday.com. You've not only saved time, but also kept your communications organized within a single platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you find it helpful as you continue using Monday.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity. Until next time, happy emailing.